Welcome back to the Unmotivated Homemaker. I'm Brittany Michelle, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your home smell fantastic for the holidays. As a homemaker, this is a cheap and easy way to make your home very inviting to your guests and for your family. First up is the freshest. I like to call this my holiday season stovetop potpourri. It smells amazing and it can simmer on your stovetop all day long. Here's what you'll need. Next is incense. I am not a huge incense fan until I found this. This is a cute little cabin. You can buy various incense cones and you just light it on fire, and they don't last as long as most of these other options, but they do last for about an hour or two. And they have a lot of warm, cozy, or what I would call manly smells. It makes your house smell amazing, and it gives it a really cool ambiance. If you're liking this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. My next favorite way to make your home smell amazing for the holidays is wax melts. You can make these yourself or you can buy them. The scents that I love for the holidays usually have to do with trees, so like Fraser cut fir, cedar, something like that. But I also love just warm and cozy smells for the holidays. One of my favorites by Better Home and Gardens is soft cashmere and amber. It just smells so cozy. It's actually one of my favorites all year long. My next favorite by Woodwick is Humidor. It kind of smells like a cigar box in a good way. I love it. Another one by Better Homes and Garden is Fresh Cut Fraser. But I made my own for the first time yesterday and it was a lot of fun. I got these candy molds from Joann Fabrics. I bought a candle from Joann Fabrics as well. It was Harvest Fig, so it smelled so much like the holidays. And then using the double broiler method, I placed this candle in a pot on the stove and had the water boil, and then it melted the wax. And then I poured the wax into these candy melts, and it only took about 10-15 minutes to dry, and then I popped them out, and then I was able to place them in this wax melt container, and it just smells exactly like the candle. I think making your own personalized wax melts is such a great gift idea for Christmas if you're looking for something cheap to do. It is so cute. You can get all different types of molds at stores such as Michael's, Joann Fabrics, etc., probably even Walmart and Target. Make sure you store your wax melts in a cool, dry place before you give them away as a gift so they're not all melted in the plastic bag. Last but not least, you can't overlook candles. Are probably the most popular way to make your home smell great. This year I bought some candles that were homemade from a local Christmas craft fair. There are scents like ginger fig, roasted chestnut, harvest pumpkin, and bayberry. These are very Christmas based and I can't wait to light them throughout my house. Great places to put your candles are in your guest rooms, your bathrooms, and your kitchen. That way when your guests arrive, when they use the restroom, it smells nice and clean. When they walk into their bedroom, it feels really welcoming and inviting, and same with the kitchen. A lot of our kitchens are close to the front door, and it just makes it smell like home. I love having my house smell amazing for the holidays for myself and my husband, but it's also a great thing to do for your guests. Most of us will have guests at some point throughout this holiday season, and nothing is better when you walk into a home and it smells amazing, warm, and comfy and cozy. Thanks for watching me try to get motivated for this holiday season. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other ways to make your home smell great for the holiday season. If you want decoration ideas, please watch my video right here, how I decorate my off-grid cabin for Christmas.